So today we're gonna do just a quick little math lesson on mean, median, and mode. Do you remember those words, Kern?
What words?
Mean, median, and mode.
Oh, mean, median, mode.
Do you know what they are?
What?
Okay, so we have, let's say we have mode. And what I do is I look at the MO. This one means that we're looking for the value. Are you listening?
Sorry.
The value that occurs the most. Okay? So if I ask you the mode of this set, let's say here's 2, we have 3, we have another 2. Which one occurs the most?
3.
We only have one set of 3. How many sets of 2 do I have?
2.
Okay, so which one is our mode? 2 or 3?
2.
2 is, yep, because it happened the most.
Right.
Okay, let's do another one. You want to set it up on your board?
What do I draw?
So draw 2, 3 circles. And how many cubes do you want in the first one? You can use the eraser. How many cubes do you want in the first one?
I don't know.
Well, you choose a number. Tell me a number. Our first value will be how many?
2. Oh, wait, 3.
Well, we can do 3. How many for the next one?
4.
And how many for the next
3.
one? You want to do 3?
Yep.
Okay, so what's your mode?
3.
3. Yep. Okay. So now,
What do I write?
now I'm going to have you put some cubes in the circles.
Okay.
How many are you going to put in that circle?
Like,
Choose any number. It's okay.
this is gonna be
So
harder
4.
than I thought.
And another, what, is that 5?
Yep.
And what else? 4. So what is your mode?
4.
4, because it occurs the
Same.
most.
The most.
So 4 is the mode because it occurs the most.
Right.
Okay? And what are these called? Starts with a V.
Votes.
Values.
Value.
Okay. So you can erase your circles. And we'll do mean. Okay, so mean is where we add all of the values. So we're adding all of the values. So that's our first step, right?
Right.
And then we'll divide the total by the what? The number of
The number of values.
values. Yeah. Okay. So now that we have this, we can do an example. So let's say we have 3 cubes here, 3 here, and 3 here, right? So we got to add them. So how are you going to do that?
I draw circles.
Well, let's use our numbers for this one. It's okay. So 3, 3, and 3. And what's going to go here if we add? What sign goes here?
Me.
If we're adding.
Add.
What's our sign called though?
The values
What's this sign called?
plus.
Our plus sign. Okay,
Right.
so add your values. What do you get?
9.
Okay, so we have 9. Then we have to divide that total by the number of values. So how many numbers do we have? Okay, and then we gotta divide. We gotta do our next step.
What?
We gotta do our next step. So divide. So we have 1, 2. Are you counting?
1, 2, 3.
3. So 9 divided by 3 equals what?
3.
3. So that is our mean. Okay. I'm gonna set up I'll set up the cubes and then you have to solve it. Okay.
Okay.
So let's have 2, 2, 3, 2. Okay. So here's what we have. So what do you got to do first?
3.
It says add all of the values. So erase that and start your new problem. What numbers do you need?
Two, 3 and 2.
Well, we're looking for our mean, so we're adding all of our numbers. I already have them here. You're going to write them down, though. Good. Okay. So we that
9.
Is that what it is? 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Yeah. Divided by how many?
Divided by 2. It'll be 3.
How many values do we have? We have 1,
2, 3, 4.
4. Okay, and you want to use your calculator unless you can do it by yourself.
Two and 1/4.
2 and 1/4. Good. I'm glad you worked that out.
No.
Long division. Okay, so 2 and 1/4 would be our. And that's known as. So how do we get our mean? We have to what?
Add all.
All of the values first, and then what?
The 2.
No, what do we
And
do
divide the
The total.
total.
next? By the
number.
number of values. Okay.
Right.
So if I'm looking for the number that occurs the most, what am I looking for? Am I looking for the mean or the mode?
The mode.
The mode. And if I'm looking for a value that we add everything and then we divide by the total, am I looking for the mode or the mean?
The mode.
If we're adding everything and then dividing.
No, I'm saying.
Is that the mean or the mode?
Mode.
Well, the mode occurs the most, so what's the mean? The mean, we would add everything. So add all of our numbers. And then divide, right?
Right.
Okay. So I'm going to ask you that again later after we do our last one. Our last one is median. So this one is the number in the middle.
Boy, 15 minutes left until pre-algebra.
Yep. Okay, so if I have 2,
You said I was gonna send that raid.
yep, just in a second. 2, 3, 2. Alright, let's do this. 2, 2, and 2. So if I have 2, 2, 2, 2, what's our median? The median has to come in the middle.
Median.
So if I only have 4 numbers, what do I need to do to find my median? We need to add. So 2 plus 2 gives you what?
2 plus 2 equals 4.
Okay.
5 by 2 is 2.
So that is our median. So now let's say I have another 2 on there. Is the answer still going to be 2?
Yep.
Is it the middle number?
I think so.
Yep, because it would be right there. So let's say we add a 3 to that. Do you think our answer is still going to be 2?
Yeah. I mean, no, it's going to be 11.
Because look, it's the middle number only. You're not doing any calculations, but we have to put them in order. So is my middle number still 2?
Yes.
Yeah, because the 3 came at the end, so it still stayed 2. So that one stayed the same, even though we changed something, right?
Right.
Okay.